Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Instagram on cover screen of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So showing here my Instagram, I'm easily use my Instagram from here. So at first I'm provide how can easily set up. So at first open your settings, scroll down, click on advanced feature, click on the labs option and make sure to turn on this. Open it. So look here, showing it to allow only 5 apps: Map, Messages, Netflix, WhatsApp and YouTube. And just add my Instagram or at any social apps. Click on and you need to first install this. At first time remove and you just add from here. Select if you want to add all apps or add specific app, like I'm at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Twitter X, WhatsApp or everything. Just go back and now I'm checking. Now successfully at my social site. I'm just easily use. So that's it.